Hello everyone, so I am back, and yes, I finally have my Semicolon albums. I ordered from Weverse, obviously, but they took a week to ship out, and then they would have been here yesterday, except for they went to Hong Kong. I don't know why they went to Hong Kong, but now they're here, and yes, I am so excited. First I'm going to go through the Weverse pre-orders to see who I pulled. So originally I was gonna collect all members because I love lenticulars, but I don't know. If these fit in 4 pockets, I might still, but yes, I do have 8 copies because that was the amount you could order on Weverse. Oh, sorry. And I ordered 6 more copies through a group order because I will be collecting all of the covers. So I actually will be collecting OD13 for everything with this album because I ordered 14 albums. But yeah, let's go ahead. But yeah, I don't know. These might fit in 4 pockets or even 3 pockets. Definitely one of the 2. If it fits nicely in one of them, I might still collect all of them. But yes, the first one is Joshua. But yeah, it does this. Oh my god. So we have Joshua. And can't even see it properly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. This is okay. I'm good. Try not to scream. Dino! Oh my gosh. Oh my, that's a picture. Holy. Wow. I gotta recover from that. Semicolon! Oh my god, what a cutie. There's a cat outside my door. Oh my god, I can't. I'm not over Dino. And oh, I got another Ming-Hao. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm happy to get Ming-Hao, but I don't need 2 Ming-Haos. Oh, and another Joshua. Okay. And is this another Seungkwan? Is this? Oh, June. I never pulled Jihoon. What's this? What is he doing? I never pull him. Well, okay then. I'll probably, I don't know, if I still, I'm gonna say I'm still gonna collect all 13 of them for now, but these 3 I will need to trade for any member I don't have, I guess. Well, okay. Usually those stuff you don't get duplicates, but they did have them like in a set of 4 and a set of 4. So yes. I realized I forgot to unwrap all of them. Okay, so yes, I'm hoping to get like all solo covers because those are the first press. Yeah. This one I can already tell is a oh my god, Mingyu. Oh yes, so I got Mingyu's cover for this one. I'll just open this now so I can get it over with. Will I ever actually be able to weave it? Maybe this is a needle that got sent with it. But yeah, you're supposed to make that. We'll see if I have the patience to make it. I'll have 14 of them. The instructions are in Korean. Oh, they're also in English. Hey! Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do with 14 weaving kits. I guess a lot of people only got 2nd press albums. Oh. So, I don't know. Maybe people want to buy them. Anyways, I'm gonna just put that to the side. Gonna get all my polls out. Do it nicely all on one page. And oh, the CD. So I'm gonna zoom this in. So here we go. Oh, I didn't. But here's the front. The side has his name right there. Oh! I didn't know his face was also on the back. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen any of the ones in the back. I forgot to show the back of this one. Yeah. And the side. Another side. Yeah. There you go. I always forget to do that. I'm sorry. Oh, I was not expecting. Mingyu Part 1. So these are all separate photo books. Oh my god. So that, okay, I haven't watched any unboxings because I was waiting for. Oh, okay, I'm so happy I decided to collect all of them. Because everyone is talking about how whether it might be, how it's just the album cover. It's not. It's actually, oh my gosh. Oh. Gosh, she looks so good. The group order I joined, since there's so many orders in it, shoot, that means if I get, this is gonna be such a long unboxing if I have all different members. I mean, I hope I have all different members, but I'll have to, oh my gosh. I didn't even think about that. But the group order I joined, it's like the big group order, and they're a little behind on sending out member preference forms, and I'm kind of glad about that it's going to be out after I have my album, so I can ask for the members I don't have, especially for the album covers. Holy. Oh my god, ONEWE! And oh, I'm so happy I decided to buy 14 copies then. I would have been so upset with myself if and okay, oh, yes, the tracks. Home Run, a bop. I love it so much. Out of the side tracks, they're all so good, and they're like, they're based off of their ages, which is so cool. Like, honestly, Do Re Mi is probably my favorite. I love Do Re Mi so much. So Maknae Line. Go. The chorus is so catchy. They're all so good. So yes, and that is Mingyu's photo book. Ooh, ooh. And the CD, this is a very pretty CD. I really like this. I don't like how it just sits right in the album, like I don't feel like it's safe like that. And time for this. So I don't know exactly what this is. I don't think it's a photo card or anything. So I'm gonna show it first. Oh yes, it's the fold out like postcard. There's one of two of these. I hope I'll pull both of them within all these albums. So there's that version. This I believe is, yeah, it's like a sticker. And I think that's all for the, so I'll go with like the oval shaped one first. Oh my god! Look at him! Oh my god, okay, I'm sorry. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll do the other circle. Oh, holy. Oh my god, Vernon! Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. And Jangan. Oh, he looks so good. god. Ooh. And lastly, this is, I did suspect that this was gonna be a unit one, and they are, so. Ooh, Superman and Hoshi! Ooh, Hoshi in those red pants. Ooh. Yes, and now my photo, the photo cards are so cute! Oh, like, oh, I should probably, yeah, show those. The photo cards, oh my god, I might scream with these, and I apologize in advance. Pull Lucy! Dude, I never pull him! Oh my god! Yes! I never pull Jihoon! Oh my god. And lastly is Dino! He's so cute. His little smile. I love the photo cards. The photo cards for this, oh my god. Okay. Yes. So that was my first album. Now to my next one. Oh my god. You know, if I remembered the members' colors, I would have known who I got, but I don't. This one. CRAVITY! Oh my god! My friend. She buys his s.coups. She did not pull his. She got the group one. But yes, okay, I'm gonna pull out all my photo cards because they're right there. Oh. There's the back of his, and his side is the stark blue. Yes, go ahead and go through his photo book. Oh my god, CRAVITY's in this blonde hair. He's so... I'm considering, it wouldn't be anytime soon, honestly. Oh my god. Like, collecting 2 more members of 17, like, all the photo cards, like I do for Dino. But, I don't know. CRAVITY would be one of them. I love his photo cards. CRAVITY's photo cards are honestly like this. They're so cute. I'm trying to go faster than I did through Mingyu's because I might have 8 different photo books to go through depending on which ones I pulled. Oh my gosh. Oh, I understand that it's kind of a hassle to have 14 different photo books. Like, that's a lot of photo books, that's a lot of albums. But I was getting sad because it's kind of thin, but the fact that it's, oh my god, they're mowing again, but I had to work later. I'm so sorry. They always, can it be winter already? Why do they still have to mow? It snowed the other day. Oh my god. They've been mowing since like, they've been mowing for hours now. They were in front of my apartment just a couple, like an hour ago. Why are they in front of my apartment again? Yeah, and that's all the same. Yeah. Is this, yeah, it's just white. I accidentally saw my oval card. I didn't mean to. It was an accident. But I'll do my this first. It is the same one. So yes. And then sticker again. So this is Mikao again. So that I will need to trade. And my circle sticker is, oh my god, that's so Hoshi. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, oh, that's his smile. He's so cute. Hoshi again. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And oh, I got Hoshi and Soikman again. And my photo cards. I need to just breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe. Do you see him with a smile? excited. Oh my god. And I'm doing this in the morning, so I'm not like tired or anything. And oh my Joshua. These cards are so, oh my god. When I saw I've seen like the photos of all the cards. I'm fine. I don't think I am, but we'll pretend. And then we have this version, which is, oh my god, June! Yes! So I got June's, which all my stuff is up front again. But yes, his front and his back picture and his side. But here we go. Go through his. Hopefully the mowing people don't come any closer. Stay away. I'm allergic to you mowing. I'm actually allergic to grass, so I low-key am allergic to mowing. Because the grass, like, well, I guess if you have one of those that doesn't make it fly to the sides. But that's the only one I've ever known. But yeah, fun fact about me, I'm allergic to grass, but I don't have allergies. It's just, my skin gets really itchy whenever I use it. But yes. Oh my god, he looks so good. Oh, this outfit, I love this outfit on him. I think he looks amazing in it. Like, granted, I hate the color, but he looks good in it. Oh my gosh. June, this outfit too, oh my god. I don't know what about just plain white top, like button up tops. I think they look so good. And it's on males and females. Oh my god, this picture is so cute. So cute. So cute, little baby. With Joshua. He's smiling. Oh my god. That's so cute. Rated smile. Yeah, so that was Jihoon's. And this again. Hey, I got the other one. I have both of them now. Woo! Only took me 3 albums. Oh yeah. Oh, I saw my one photo card. The CD again. I accidentally flipped over one of my photo cards to get that. And the sticker again. Yes, let's look at this way. ONEWE! Oh, ONEWE, oh my gosh. And oh, he's so cute. What? Coops? What? Why did I say Vernon? Okay, maybe I am tired. And I'll go the small one. And oh my, I laughed when I first saw this one. I love him just looking in a squiggly mirror. I love this card. I think it's very cute. And lastly is this one. And I got this one again. So this is a photo card I did see, and it is Meow again. It's a very cute Meow. I love that card so much. But I don't need 2 of it. I'm sorry, Meow. And Jihoon. I'm pretty sure this is the one I have. Pretty sure. Wait, no, it might not be. Do I have both of Jihoon's already? Oh my god! It's not the one! I have both of Jihoon's photo cards. What? This has to be a first. What? No. I'm not gonna pull one. And I have his album already. What's going on? I never pulled Jihoon. Something's not right. I'm not complaining, but I never pull him. And this one is Hushy! Damn, I'm getting all different. I'm not gonna jinx myself. Never mind. But here's the front of Hershey's and the side. And oh, that's a really good picture. And all my photo cards, which are already turned around. And now his photo. Gosh, I'm not even halfway through. Oh my. Okay, I need to speed this up. This is gonna be super long unboxing. Damn. Okay, I need to actually talk. I don't know why I went silent. Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute. Those shorts. He looks so cute in them. Yeah, I'm gonna be rushing now. Oh, the red pants. I love him in these red pants. I don't know why. I usually think red pants are very obnoxious, but I think he looks very good in them. Looks so good. They all do. But when I woke up for him when it came out. Yeah. 4 a.m. for me. Fun times. But the thing is, so Home On came out, and then a day or 2 days later, the ONEWE for CRAVITY came out. And it was so funny because when 24 Hour came out, it was the same day that Flame came out. And I'm like, really? Oh my god. Look at them. Hang out in Hoshi. Performance Boys. And we have the CD. Wow. Big shocker there. And where's my sticker? Where's my sticker? Don't want to see my photo cards. And here's my sticker. And this doesn't really matter, but I got this one again. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all those. But first I will do the big thing. I got Dino! He's so handsome. Such a handsome boy. And the other circle one. This ONEWE is so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. And oh my god, ONEWE again. Oh, let this hair being all like a little curly, messy. So cute. Lastly, oh, I got a different one. I got ONEWE and Mingyu. Finally, a different one for that. And then, oh, I got ONEWE again. Wow, that's a lot of ONEWE. Is this? Oh. This is what I'm talking about. Coups' cards are so cute. Oh, why? Oh, he's so cute. So cute. Oh my god. And next is this one, which I oh, I got Slickman. So I don't need that. Don't know what I'm gonna do. So have the side of it, and this. Ooh, that's a good picture. So CDs on there. Pull out all of my. Get out of my album. And here we go, another one. Wow, this is, oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh, I love this outfit. This is one of my favorite outfits. This is photo being so close up, super cute. Oh my god. Ooh, oh, the bray. Looks so good on it. Oh my, the beginning part of Home On, where they have like all the, where they create a line, and the choreo is so good. And it's so entertaining to watch. Like, there's so much that goes on in the choreo that every time every time they perform and I watch another video or we watch one of their performances, you find something new in it every single time because there's just so much going on. Oh, wow. That's an outfit. But it's, I love the choreo a lot. And I have been listening to the album on repeat. That's not surprising at all. It is so good. And just, I do have to say, I think 24 Hour might be my new favorite 17 song, like just overall. I think it is. Heat, them two again. This is like almost exactly like the photo, the card I keep pulling. I find that funny. And we have the CD. Wow. And the sticker. And first the thingy, that doesn't matter what I pull. I got this one again. If I go through this whole album and I only pulled that one of the other one, I find that so funny. And first is the big one. I got June. Ooh, he looks so handsome. He always looks so handsome. And the circle. I got another June. Oh my gosh, what is with this album? What's going on? This is not, I've probably pulled Jihoon more in this album than I ever have. Wow, that's not expected. Oh my god, Dino, oh, I love this one. That one might be, I didn't really pay attention to like these, not gonna lie, but wow. And this one, oh, Vernon. He's adorable. Lastly, my photo cards. Oh, it's the coups again. I'll have to see what my friend pulled because she collects coups, unless she might have already traded because she's had hers a couple days. And June! Oh my god, it's so cute. Yes, that was this album. And now for this album, reaching 30 minutes. Okay, so I got Meows. Oh, he looks so good. Oh. Whew. Oh, this photo book's gonna be all Meow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, let's get all of those out. Oh my god. I can't just stop and stare at each picture. He looks, oh my god. Look at him. He looks so good. Oh my god. I need to check the time. I have to go to work an hour early. Oh my god. This outfit on him is so good. Anyways, oh my gosh. I have no words. He's my old bias. That's all I have to say. No matter what happens, once he became my 17 bias, he became my old bias, and it has not changed since then. Oh my god. Oh, I love this outfit. Looks so good. And his black hair. Oh my god. That picture of Joshua. Oh my god. I can't. I'm just gonna be speechless. I can't do this. He looks, oh my god. I feel like I'm in an interview and he's like not approving of something. But he looks so good. Holy. I'm fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I survived. Oh, he looks so good. Oh, and we have the CD again. I can't get it in there. And this thingy. I pulled this one again. I mean, what else? And the sticker again too. So next, so I have, how do I, oh, I just showed it. But I got June again. And oh, I got June's again. And I didn't pull this. Mingyun and Janghan. I had to think about that one. I was like, wait. Oh, this one's a little damaged. No. 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 Why is it Ming has a damage? Look at it. He's so cute. Look at them. He's so cute. Honestly, this probably won't make much of a difference. It'll probably flatten out in my binder anyways. Look at me now. He's so cute. Oh, it's not even in frame. Anyways, first we have Twigman. Aw, little cutie. So cute. Junghan. Wow. That, oh my gosh. Damn. That, he looks good. Okay, so this album, down to two more albums. And Seungkwan. Oh my god. I've gotten 7 different members. I have over half of the member covers now. Wow. That's, wow. Damn. I wonder, do they like look inside to give you different ones? By the colors? Because you can tell by the colors if you know if you know the colors, who it's gonna be. Oh, so here's his side and his back. Oh my gosh, that's a good picture. Yeah. I don't know, because I don't know. Maybe I just, I love this picture. I remember when this picture dropped. He's so cute. Or is it this one? I don't know. It was the one with him holding the book. That's all I know. But yeah, I wonder if they did look in and look at the colors and then give them out based off of the colors. But oh my god, if I can get the covers the last covers I need in the group order, that's gonna, wow, that's gonna be so lucky. And I don't have to trade any of the albums. That's all. That, I'll honestly say that that will be a win. Oh, that's a good picture. I could pull old duplicate photo cards, but if I had this luck with the albums, I would be just fine. Because the albums are honestly much more of a pain to trade than anything else. Yes. Oh my god, they all look so good. Yes, so that was that one. I'm gonna check the time real quick though. Okay, I have 45 minutes before I have to leave. But yeah. So lastly is, oh, I still have 45 minutes before I have to leave. It's fine. But we had the CD again. Oh. And this again, which is this one again. I'm gonna get 7 of these and then 1 of the other one. That's just fine. That's funny. And the sticker. Next is this thingy, which Junghan, he's so cute. So I haven't pulled Junghan's yet. Hoshi's, I'm pretty sure I did pull Hoshi's. Pretty sure I can see it right now. Yeah, I did pull him. And I did not pull this one. Oh my god. So I even pulled one of Jihoon's unit cards. What is going on? I never pulled Jihoon this much. Oh, I got the June squiggly mirror again. And photo card. Semicolon! I think I pulled a Semicolon photo card. I don't know. I really can't remember. Look on my Instagram. I'll have them up probably before I post this video because I have no time to edit recently. I just finished editing my buyee haul and I filmed that like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Soikman! I might have this card. I know I pulled Soikman, but there's 2 cards. So, yes. That was that album. And lastly is this one. I got all different number covers. I didn't even get the group one. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That's just wow. Okay, I'm gonna pull all of this out and oof, that's a good picture on the back. That's a really good picture of him and the side. But yeah, let's go through. I was actually supposed to have another package delivered today, but they delivered this one, but not the other one. So I don't know if they're gonna come back and deliver it. I don't know. He's so cute in this outfit. Look at him. That was, I believe, his teaser photo. I can't remember. Oh my god. He looks so good in this outfit. He's so cute. Vernon. He's so cute. Oh, that's hey buddy. Oh, that pink shirt. That's something. Yes. He's so cute. With the hat. Oh my god. I'm kind of overwhelmed. Like, there's so many different, there's 14 different photo books. That's, wow. That's just, wow. And I have 8 out of them so far already. Ah! Like, oh my gosh. Yes. So that was Vernon's. I did hold the CD and I tried to take the like little thing with, yeah, that thingy. Okay, my sticker. And let's see if it's gonna be the one again. Okay. Yeah, so I got 7 of that one. That's so funny. Okay, and this thing, oh, I got Meow's again, so I do already have that one. Oh my god, oh my god, Junghan, that I dropped twice. Yes, it's because he just looks too good. That's why. It's not because I'm clumsy. I'm pretty sure I just pulled, no, this is the one I just pulled is the one with Joshua, so I have everything for Jihoon but his oval card. What? Wow, that's never happened before. Okay. Oh, there's Vernon again. I do have that one. And the photo card. Oh, there's Jihoon again. I do have that one. And I can't remember if this is the one who I pulled or not, but it's okay. I think it is because of his smile. But yeah. Oh my god, so that was all of them. Thank you guys for watching. That ended up being a very long unboxing. But yes, thank you guys for watching.